This is a new mobile.
No, like this. I'm here.
Complete.
ये जी पाकिस्तान सॉरी
Special
इजिप्शियन जो है वो मोबाइल ओपन कर रहे हैं C55. He is also my manager here in this ceramics. Oh, this is voucher. Oh no, change of fine. अगर आपको मोबाइल की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अगर आप पसंद नहीं है, आप वापस भी कर सकते हैं. ये देखें, ये सऊदी अरब में बहुत खसूसियत की बात है. 10 दिन तक आप रख सकते हैं, उसके बाद वापस भी कर सकते हैं. This is the box opening of C55 Realme.
Is a special offer.
इसकी रैम है जी 8 GB प्लस 8 है और 256 इसकी मेमोरी है. Oh, ROM. What's inside the box? What's this?
Cover.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Amazing.
Oh, show. 64 megapixel camera और ठीक है. This is the back.
Very nice.
Yes. Open
This is
and
by you.
on. No.
No, by you.
On.
For you.
Aywa.
Congratulations, Abbas. How's the weight?
Lightweight. Light. Then this.
And this is cover
This is cover, I think, and also
and the pin.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Like mobile color.
Same.
And also here.
Charger.
33 watt का ये चार्जर है. This is cable. मरहबा.
Welcome, Abbas. Marhaba. Very nice. I think tomorrow I'll check for a new one. Check the camera.
Where is English? Like United States.
Region Saudi Arabia.
Okay, finish.